The simplest copy-paste option is to click on a cell. This puts you in entry mode in the cell with the value highlighted. Then do a Control-C to copy the cell. Then click in the target cell and do a Control-V to paste. Copying a single cell value to multiple cells is not directly supported. For example, if you click on a cell and select the value, and then attempt to create a multi-range target, doing a Control-V results in only the first cell containing the value. The workaround is to perform the copy with the Control-C, then click the upper left cell in the target range, do a Control-V, but then hit Enter. Then you can use the fill handle to drag down and to the right as needed to cover the desired range. To copy a multi-cell range to another range, click and drag to select your source range of cells and do a Control-C to copy. Then click the upper left cell in the target range, hit Enter, then do a Control-V to paste. If in aiming for your target you simply clicked without hitting Enter, and then did your Control-V, then only the upper left cell would be populated. A shortcut tip for multi-cell copy-paste is to copy your source range and then select more than one cell in your target through click and drag. This is because by clicking and dragging, your target cells will still be in edit mode. Then, if you Control-V, the entire copied range goes in starting at the upper left cell.